You are so silly. Are you a bat?
Yo, Lou! It's Friday, baby. What's going on?
Hello, CATFLIX family. There's a moment in this video where you'll say, that's literally me, a cat, under a blanket, peeks outside, checks the world, goes back in, just like us after the alarm. But that's only the start. When that moment hits, you'll want to replay it. Like, comment, and subscribe to CATFLIX, because the blanket agent is coming.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Oh, sorry. What? Gosh. Hey. Are you okay?
Come on, it's okay.
Can someone explain to me why my cat's obsessed with my bras?
There it is. Did you see that look? Checking if the outside world is safe. Out. Back in. That level of morning mood is unreal. But stay ready. Something even better is coming.
Is that a pinky?
Curry.
Raggy! Stop!
What is that noise you are making right now, sir?
You won't. You don't see him yet. And then you do.
Family makes me want to murder people.
What a lovely little... Get your butt out of the frame. What a lovely little...
Oh, I didn't even... Wow. Jack fears no...
Later in this video, a new employee appears. It's a cat, but not a normal one. It copies its owner. It even helps. Is it actually helping or making everything worse? You decide. When this moment hits, laughing is guaranteed.
Where's Frank? You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank.
If the blanket agent got you and the helper cat made you laugh, don't forget to like. Which moment was your favorite? Tell us below. Subscribe to CATFLIX because the next one will be even crazier.
What?